Hello guys, today we are going to cut the carrots in a julienne in an easy way. First, we wash our carrots and remove the dirts that in the skin before we peel it. We will be using our favorite character peeler, and if anybody recognize this guy, just leave a comment. Remove as much skin as possible in the carrots to prevent the contaminations of dirts. Then we will cut the both ends of the carrot. So we will cut the carrot in a diagonal way, like this one. Then we will take two strips of the diagonal cut and we will make a straight cut for this one and making a julienne. Really see? And we will just cut the remaining carrots, and I hope that this tutorial have helped you to cut the carrots in a julienne way. Please don't mind the black head on the background. It's just our little pup who's interested in cutting carrots. Thank you for watching.